Look at this, bro.
What the fuck? Yeah, what was that? What?
Okay, we're on our way. No, can you look at the screen and help me for a second?
Yeah.
Okay, we're... No, stop. What?
Whoa! What is it about her, bro?
Change the Hazel. The Hazel? Yeah, change the Hazel. Oh.
That is so good.
Vi har lavet sådan en ude for haven, hvor vi står sådan i blandet i for eksempel med et eller andet ude. Fuck det! Nej, det er ikke noget. Det snakker om.
Josh.
What? Why are you calling me?
You always look at me. What?
I don't know.
I wanted to ask you some questions for this TikTok video.
The fuck is that?